Hello everyone. Today we are talking about ATD980T series CNC lathe controller. This is an economic type controller. Here you can find its integrated panel. Then I will show you its configuration. The following content can be found in operation and installation menus. There are 4 parts on panel. It is equipped with 8.4-inch screen, operation panel and control panel. The USB port, which can be used to program transferring and system updating. As to connector on the back will be discussed in future videos. For controller operation menu, there are 9 sections. The most used is position monitoring, which is shown after power on. Here, X position, brief machine status can be monitored. Relative position and absolute position when power on can be set as default throw parameter. When press function OK, different parts can be switched. Relative, absolute, MDI. Next page, we got graphics, finish clear, set demand, time clear, and clear machine coordinates. The second section is about program. Press F1 to simulate the path of program in advance. But remember to switch into edit mode. Here are other functions works by F keys. The third section is about offset. Here we can set offset for tool number 1 to tool number 32. Next part is macro variables. The next part is tool life management. The fourth section is the alarm. F1 is current alarm after power on. F2 is alarm history or record. F3 is used to clear alarm history. For safety, it requires level 2 authority. The fifth section is setting. Here we can set workpiece coordinate from G54 to G59. Then password setting, time. This is for system recover and backup. Here is switch for some functions. The sixth is a parameter section. Generally, parameter can be 2 types: bit parameters and a data parameter, which are divided into different groups according to functions. When controller power on without connection with other parts, it may alarm. We can set some parameter in often to disable alarm in order to check and configure controller. For option parameter, just press input and choose the option. Here are two methods to modify parameter. Input value, then price input. Or price input, then enter values in dialog and price input again. And the tool parameter, ESP, and limited parameter. Actually, emergency stop and limit parameter. Here you can set some parameter like hard limit, external switch. Next page is machine 0, MPG, PLC parameter, screw rotation, pitch, acceleration, and deceleration. Tapping process. Use this. Actually, it is a less used parameter. Servo spindle parameter, absolute driver parameter. If you configure the absolute driver, it can set to communicate with driver through Modbus. Special is for some external parts control. Next page you will find all parameter here in bit and data parameter. Parameter operation works in both previous group and this menu. Bit parameter here is binary option. Controller functions can be set by 0 or 1. User can press direction button to move cursor and press Alt to convert its status. For data parameter, it can be modified by inputting value to set something like speed, distance, constant. The last menu is about pitch, used to set backlash compensation. The 7th section is about diagnosis, in which you can check signal status, I/O diagnosis, actually corresponding to PLC signal. MH0 test is used to check if signal works by button. Next part is about graph. For on-time monitoring path of tools, user can press keys to switch dimensions. The last section is about PLC. Here you can check PLC version and ladder. PLC ladder can be added online, while user can edit it by software and transfer through USB port. Then let's talk about panel keys. The red area is input case and status indicator. Here is data relative case, including input, output, change, cancel, and delete, alter, insert, and EOB. The EOB just works like enter on PC keyboard. Make current into next line. Here, these 5 indicators are used to show access home status. When machine axis returns 0 once, these indicators will be on. Machine status indicates are next to 0 indicators. Let's move to machine control case on bottom controller. These F1 to F5 are functional case. At the beginning of the left set is a digital tube display, which is used to show tool number. Next to it, is different modes of a controller. Editor, auto, 0, MPG, manual, program 0 mode, and MPG trial cutting. All of these kits are equipped with indicators corresponding to status bar on screen. The down line are some auxiliary keys: signal, skip, access lock, MST lock, M1 stop. And speed override adjustment. MPG 1000 steps can be enabled by parameter. The middle part is axis movement case. The center key is rapid, which can be set as hold status. Then press axis, it will move in rapid speed. After movement, it goes to cool, lubricate, tool rotates, spindle control, and fading speed override control. The right side of panel are start and fade hold or pause. At the left side of controller, there is a USB port on the cover. As to backside and detailed operation, we will discuss in the near future video. That's all. If any question, please feel free to mail me.